In this Argos Support video, we will give you tips and tricks for using your fridge freezer. We recommend closing the doors on the fridge freezer as soon as possible after each use. The fridge freezer will use more energy if left open and may increase your electricity bill. Place your fridge freezer away from direct sunlight, your oven, or any other heat sources. If it is placed near a heat source, it will have to work harder, which means it will consume more energy. It is important to not overload the fridge freezer with food and drink. An overloaded fridge can reduce cooling performance, further increasing energy consumption. Another way to save electricity is to ensure the condenser coils are clean. If the coils are not clean, they may be working harder than they need to be, which can heighten energy consumption and also lead to problems with your fridge freezer in the future. For hygiene reasons, we recommend wrapping or covering any food before storing. This will also help keep your fridge freezer clean and tidy. Use a polythene bag to store raw meat and place on the lowest shelf. Additionally, we recommend storing raw meat for no more than 3 days. Finally, it is always good practice to clean your fridge freezer regularly. We recommend using a specialist cleaning product designed for fridge freezers. Your fridge freezer is now ready to use.